It's late at night. You're lying in bed. Everything is quiet, and suddenly your brain remembers something from 5 years ago. That awkward joke nobody laughed at. That embarrassing thing you said in class. That moment when you waved back to someone who wasn't waving at you. And instantly your body reacts. Your shoulders tense, your stomach tightens. Maybe you even say out loud, "Why did I do that?" But here's the strange part. Nothing is happening right now. The moment is long gone. So why does remembering something embarrassing make your brain react like it just happened? The answer lies in how the brain processes social pain, memory, and self-awareness. Most people assume memories are just recordings of the past, but that's not how the brain works. When you remember something, your brain actually reactivates parts of the original emotional experience. That means recalling an embarrassing moment can trigger the same neural systems involved in stress, discomfort, and even physical pain. And surprisingly, this strange reaction may serve an important purpose, because those painful, cringe memories are part of the brain's system for learning social behavior and protecting your reputation. So today, we're exploring why embarrassing memories hurt, how the brain processes social mistakes, and why your mind keeps replaying moments you wish you could forget. Humans are extremely social creatures. For most of human history, survival depended on belonging to a group. Early humans relied on cooperation for hunting, protection, and sharing resources. Being rejected by the group could be dangerous. So evolution built a powerful warning system inside the brain. This system monitors social threats, things like rejection, humiliation, or embarrassment. And interestingly, the brain processes these experiences using some of the same neural circuits that detect physical pain. One important region involved in this system is the anterior cingulate cortex. This part of the brain activates when people experience social rejection, but it also activates during physical pain, which means the brain treats social mistakes as a kind of psychological injury. Now here's something even stranger. When you remember an embarrassing event, the brain doesn't simply replay a recording. Instead, it reconstructs the experience. This process is called memory reactivation. During recall, the brain reactivates networks connected to the original event. These include areas responsible for emotion self-awareness and threat detection, which means remembering a cringe moment can temporarily trigger the same emotional signals that happened the first time. Your brain isn't just remembering the embarrassment, it's partially reliving it. A small almond-shaped structure called the amygdala plays an important role in this process. The amygdala helps detect emotionally significant events. It acts like a priority system for memories. Moments that involve strong emotions, especially fear, embarrassment, or stress, are more likely to be stored deeply in memory. This is why awkward moments tend to feel so vivid. Your brain flagged them as important experiences. From the brain's perspective, these moments contain valuable social information, even if you wish they didn't. If embarrassing memories feel unpleasant, why does the brain replay them? The answer may involve a psychological process called rumination. Rumination occurs when the brain repeatedly analyzes past events. It might feel annoying, but this mental replay can serve a purpose. The brain is trying to answer questions like, what went wrong? How could I avoid that next time? What did other people think? This type of reflection helps improve social awareness and future behavior. It's part of the brain's system for learning from mistakes. Researchers studying embarrassment discovered something surprising. People often experience stronger cringe reactions when remembering events that other people probably forgot. In psychology, this is related to something called the spotlight effect. Humans tend to overestimate how much other people notice and remember their mistakes. In reality, most people are focused on their own thoughts and concerns, which means that awkward moment you still remember may have disappeared from everyone else's memory years ago, but your brain keeps replaying it because it's trying to protect your social reputation. Embarrassment itself may be an evolutionary adaptation. Researchers studying social emotions have found that embarrassment often triggers specific behaviors. People might look away, smile nervously, cover their face, or apologize. These reactions send signals to others that the person recognizes the mistake. In social groups, this behavior helps repair relationships. It shows awareness and reduces conflict. which means embarrassment acts as a kind of social repair mechanism, and remembering those moments later may reinforce the lesson. Another brain region involved in cringe memories is the anterior cingulate cortex error monitoring system. This system helps detect mistakes in behavior. When something goes wrong, socially or otherwise, the brain generates a signal that says, "Pay attention, something needs to change." This signal can create feelings of discomfort or tension, but that discomfort is what motivates learning. Without it, people might repeat the same social mistakes again and again. Many people notice that embarrassing memories appear more frequently at night. This isn't random. During quiet moments, the brain shifts into a mode called default mode network activity. This network becomes active when the mind isn't focused on external tasks. Instead, it begins processing internal thoughts, daydreaming, planning the future, reflecting on the past, and sometimes replaying awkward moments. Without distractions, those memories become easier for the brain to access, which is why cringe memories often appear when you're lying in bed trying to sleep. Embarrassing memories often feel more intense than neutral memories because the brain prioritizes emotionally significant events. The spotlight effect causes people to believe their mistakes are noticed far more than they actually are. Social embarrassment activates brain regions that overlap with physical pain processing. Some researchers believe cringe reactions help reinforce social learning. And interestingly, people tend to cringe most about moments that conflict with their current self-image, which means the discomfort might actually reflect personal growth. Your brain is comparing who you were to who you are now. Cringe memories may feel uncomfortable, but they reveal something fascinating about how the human brain works. When you remember an embarrassing moment, your brain reactivates emotional circuits linked to the original experience. Those reactions come from systems designed to monitor social behavior, protect reputation, and improve future decisions. In other words, that awkward memory from years ago isn't just random. It's part of the brain's way of learning how to navigate complex social environments. So the next time your brain suddenly reminds you of something embarrassing you did years ago, it might not be trying to torture you. It might just be reminding you how far you've come. If you enjoy learning about the hidden psychology and neuroscience behind everyday experiences, consider sharing this video and subscribing to the channel for more fascinating science explanations. Because sometimes, the strangest things our brains do are actually the ones that help us grow the most